The Nutcracker, $5 a piece on the nutties. Take a sip, bust your lip, capitalize, strategize on the 12-ounce drink. Listen, y'all, 12th day of July. Wake up, drink, eat, drink, smoke, drink, work, drink, pass out, drink, wrap up the nutty, and drink. The store is now open. Also, the ice cold water available, $1 on the water. Water, $1 on the water. On that, store's open. Newports, 50 cents, $2 on the Newports, 50 cents, $2 $100. Doors open. Happy 4th. Movies, 1 for 3, 2 for 5 on the movies. 2 movies for $5. Película 5 pesos. Let's break bread with the Moreno. Stores open here. Grab it up. Come on, y'all. Okay, started from the bottom, now we're here. Break out the chips. Also, the herbs and the spices are on deck as well. The herbs and spices. That fire, that ganja, that cannabis, that Snoop Lion. Nutties, movies, Lucy's, water, and that bud on deck. Let's grab it up. Take care of business. Stores open. If you're going home alone tonight, I got some adult movies. Sure eyes. They're on deck. Stores open. Let's grab up. Only you know what you need.